going to start working on problems. Now our first problem is a bag with 50 chocolate eggs weighs 170 grams. What is the weight of one chocolate egg? Now we'll split this problem into two, what we know and what we don't know. So here we know that we have 50 eggs in a bag. That's our quantity. And what we also know is that this bag weighs 170 grams. And that's our total. And what we don't know is the weight for one chocolate egg. And that's what we're going to solve for. So if you remember from our formula, it is total divided by quantity will equal the weight per egg. So in this case, we'll calculate 170 divided by 50. We are able to calculate that each egg weighs 3.4 grams. So if we review our problem, we knew that we had 50 chocolate eggs and that the total amount that the bag weighed was 170 grams. And by taking 170 divided by 50, we were able to calculate for the weight of a single egg. Now let's verify that we were able to arrive at the right answer. Now we'll look at it in the other way. If we know the weight per egg is 3.4 grams, and we know the quantity is 50, we would take our weight times our quantity to get our total weight. Now let's pull up our calculator. That's 3.4 grams times 50, 170. As you can see, you are able to find the answer by going in reverse, by taking the weight and multiplying by the quantity to equal the total. 3.4 grams, the weight per chocolate egg, times the total number of chocolate eggs in the bag, which is 50, equals the total amount of weight in the bag. I have another math problem for you, and this one's going to be a little bit more challenging, but we have the tools that we need in order to solve it. So let's take a look. A bag with 70 chocolate eggs weighs 320 grams. What is the weight of 50 chocolate eggs? Okay, now let's start with what we know, and we know that the total weight is 320 grams. And we know that there are 70 eggs in the bag. Now we need to solve for the weight of 50 chocolate eggs. Now this is a little complicated because we have one quantity, but they're asking us about a different quantity. But remember, we learned how to come up with the weight of a single egg. And now all we really need to do is start there. And then we can figure out how much 50 eggs would weigh, because we can use our multiplication. So let's solve for one egg. Now we have total 320 divided by quantity 70 will give us the weight for a single egg. Okay, let's bring out our calculator. 320 divided by 70. Now we're going to just do this to 2 decimal places. So we'll use 4.57. And now that we know how much a single chocolate egg weighs, we can solve for 50. All we have to do is take the weight of one chocolate egg times quantity, 50, and get the answer. So we have quantity, 50, times the weight for a single chocolate egg. And now let's bring up our calculator. 50 times 4.57 is 228.5. So what is the weight of 50 chocolate eggs? It's 228.5 grams. Now let's recap what we just did. When we started, we had a bag of chocolates that had a bag with 70 chocolate eggs that weighed 320 grams. And we needed to solve for the weight of 50 chocolate eggs. Now, in order to do that, we started by solving for the weight of a single chocolate egg. And once we knew the weight of a single chocolate egg, we could come up with the total weight of any number of chocolate eggs, and in this case, 50 chocolate eggs. I hope you were able to follow along, but don't worry, if you found this to be a little bit challenging, feel free to start at the beginning and take your time going through and trying to solve the problem. And I'm sure you'll be able to figure it out. Good luck.